Hello and welcome to another video that could have been a short. I took a year off because I lack the ability to understand how time works, but I'm back to talk about a product that made me so angry I knew I needed to rant about it at a place no one would see it. With the rise of interest in plant-based diets, this has led to companies looking to exploit the ignorance of someone new to the lifestyle. Products designed to replace the animal-based ingredients are out there, and there is one in particular that I find infuriating. Oggs Egg Alternative. So for someone without a lot of cooking knowledge, newly plant-based and seeking to make a meringue or a cookie or something else, if they see this in the store, in Asda or wherever, they might buy it. The product talks about it being made from a chickpea extract and made from plants, and as if it's some great secret. But it's just chickpea can juice at the end of the day. It's just the starchy water you get from a can of chickpeas. This costs £2.25. This maybe cost about 50 pence. It's been in the cupboard there for about a year. I swear I'll use it eventually. I can drain this can, keep the juice, and cook the chickpeas in the oven, a little bit of spices, put them in a jar and they'll last in the counter for me to graze out of a jar for however long. But it's me, to be honest, it's going to be about a day. Or a few extra ingredients and I can make some hummus. The Oggs Egg substitute has no additional ingredients, preservation or anything else out there to justify its price point. Maybe the Tetra Pak, but these are a pain in the tit to recycle compared to this nice aluminium can. You can either buy this stupid carton or this can and get the same result. I've made meringues from both of these, can't tell the difference. And by the way, making the meringues is just the chickpea juice and some sugar whisked together and baked in the oven. And also I'm aware the proper name for this is aquafaba, but I have to be careful about what I say with this accent, because if I say it too fast, I'm going to sound like Nadine Coyle trying to say the word flour.
People enjoys cooking.
I enjoy cooking, baking and stuff, working with flour.
However, preying on the knowledge gaps of consumers is not an ethical business model, and the 72% less emissions your product produces in relation to chicken eggs is cancelled out by the amount of smoke you're trying to blow up my arse. I'll see you next year.